Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ansul 436114 cable connector assembly. This is used in the pad actuator assembly, which actually I have one here, the 435479. So where the connector cable assembly is used, okay, give you a dimension of this first. It's about 20 inches overall length. Roughly where this goes is you're going to remove the terminal housing, these two screws that'll come out. This wire is going to ultimately come through here. This will connect to the pad device that is installed inside of the actuator. Okay, that's simply what this is. Not too much else really to say about that. There is a link below this video to the installation instructions for the 435479 because it refers to how it's installed and where it's installed. Although I think they use a different part number inside of there for this. But this is the item that is actually packaged with the 435479. Okay. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ansul products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. So, if you have any questions on the 436114 cable connector assembly or any other Ansul product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.